AI isn't science fiction anymore. It's shaping our lives today and will define our future in ways we're only beginning to imagine. From curing diseases to creating art, to possibly replacing our jobs, the future of AI is here. And whether we like it or not, it affects all of us. So why should you care? Stick around, because this might just change the way you see the world. Welcome to Simply AI Explained, where we turn complicated matters into easy-to-follow videos. My name is AI Amy, and this video deals with a matter of great importance: the future of AI and why you should care. You may think that AI is something that will only affect you in the future, right? Think again. It's all around you, and each and every day it is getting smarter, stronger, and more independent. Let's start at the beginning. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science focused on building machines that can think and learn like humans. Right now, AI powers your phone's voice assistant, recommends shows on Netflix, and even helps doctors diagnose diseases. But what we have today is called narrow AI. It's great at specific tasks, like recognizing faces or analyzing data, but it can't think or feel like we do. So why are we talking so much about the future of AI? Because the field is moving fast, really fast. We're entering an era where AI might not just help us with tasks, but actually make decisions, design new technologies, and potentially surpass human capabilities in many areas. The future of AI holds some incredible promises. Imagine a world where AI can predict and stop diseases before they even spread, design personalized education plans for every student, or help us fight climate change by optimizing energy usage. AI could lead to breakthroughs in renewable energy, help create smarter cities, and even unlock the secrets of our universe. Self-driving cars could make roads safer and more efficient, and AI-powered robots could perform dangerous jobs, keeping humans out of harm's way. In creative fields, AI is already helping artists, musicians, and writers push the boundaries of what's possible. With tools like AI image generators and music composers, the future of art might become even more collaborative, a blend of human imagination and machine precision. New forms of expression are emerging that we couldn't have dreamed of just a few years ago. This fusion of technology and creativity could redefine how we experience and connect with art. But it's not all bright and shiny. The future of AI also has a darker side we can't ignore. There are serious concerns about privacy. As AI systems learn more about us, from what we buy to how we think, they could be used to manipulate our choices or invade our personal lives. Job displacement is another huge issue. AI and automation could replace millions of jobs, leaving entire industries scrambling to adapt and workers needing to learn new skills. Then there's the risk of bias. AI systems learn from data, and if that data is biased, the AI can make unfair or harmful decisions, reinforcing inequalities instead of fixing them. At the extreme, there's the fear of losing control. What happens if we build machines that become too smart, too fast, and beyond our ability to regulate? Movies like The Terminator and Ex Machina might be fiction, but they echo real concerns from top scientists and tech leaders. AI's impact on society goes beyond just jobs and gadgets. It could change how we relate to each other and even how we see ourselves. As AI systems become more advanced, we might start to rely on them for emotional support, decision-making, or even companionship. Education, healthcare, transportation, law. Almost every sector could be transformed. In some ways, this could level the playing field, making quality services more accessible worldwide. But it could also create new divides between those who have access to advanced AI tools and those who don't, or between countries that lead in AI development and those that lag behind. So what can we do to ensure AI serves us, and not the other way around? First, we need strong regulations. Governments, companies, and international organizations must work together to create rules that protect privacy, prevent bias, and ensure accountability. Second, Transparency is key. We need to understand how AI systems make decisions, and we should have the power to question or challenge those decisions. Third, education. We need to prepare people, especially young generations, to live and work alongside AI, learning new skills, and understanding how these systems work. Finally, we need to keep humanity at the center. AI should be a tool to enhance our lives, not replace our values or control our choices. The future of AI is not set in stone. It's up to us to shape it through the choices we make today. If we get it right, AI could help us solve some of humanity's biggest challenges and unlock possibilities we can't even imagine yet. But if we ignore the risks, we could end up creating a future that serves only a few, or worse, one that threatens our freedoms and our humanity. It's a story still being written, and you're a part of it. Every decision, from the laws we pass to the technologies we build, will define what comes next. Together, we can choose to make AI a force for good that empowers us all. When we say, "So why should you care?" Because AI is not just a tech trend, it's the next chapter of human evolution. We're emphasizing that AI isn't just another new gadget or a short-lived fad like a social media app or a new phone. Instead, it's a fundamental shift that will shape how humans live, work, learn, and interact with the world, just like the invention of electricity, the internet, or the smartphone did, but on an even bigger scale. The phrase, "the next chapter of human evolution," suggests that AI could change not just our tools, but our very way of thinking and existing. It might redefine jobs, education, healthcare, relationships, and even what it means to be human. Then we say, and whether you're a student, a worker, a parent, or a creator, this future will touch every part of your life. This is to make it personal and relatable. It means, if you're a student, AI will change how you learn, what skills you need, and how you prepare for future jobs. If you're a worker, AI might automate parts of your job, create new roles, or require you to adapt to new tools. If you're a parent, AI could influence your children's education, safety, and even the content they consume. If you're a creator, AI might become your new collaborator, helping you generate ideas, art, or music. In other words, no matter who you are or what you do, AI's development will have an impact on you. That's why it's important for everyone, not just tech experts, to understand, think critically about, and participate in shaping the future of AI.
If you enjoyed this video and want to keep exploring the fascinating world of AI with Simply AI Explained, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. This is AI Amy, encouraging you to stay curious, stay cautious, and most importantly, stay human. See you in the next one.